everyone, I am Poppy Roy, trainee teacher of Siliguri Tarai B.Ed College, B.Ed second semester. Today I will discuss about degree. Now, what is degree? An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison. Now, there are three types of degrees. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, now what is positive degree? The positive degree is used to refer to one object or place without making any comparison. Okay, now example of positive degree. This is a big room. Here big is the positive form. She is beautiful. Beautiful is the positive form. He is intelligent. Intelligent is the positive form. Now, what is comparative degree? The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people or places. Okay, now example of the comparative degree. This room is bigger than that one. Okay. Here bigger is the comparative form and she is more beautiful than other girls in the village. Here more is the comparative form. Okay, now superlative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. Okay, now example of the superlative degree. This is the biggest room in the house. Here biggest is the superlative form and she is the most beautiful in the entire village. Here most is the superlative form. Okay. In order to form the comparative and superlative degrees of adjective, remember the following rules. 1. We add er and est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonant. Okay. And rule 2. When the positive ends in e, we add only r and st to the adjective. For example, large, larger, largest. Okay, in positive, large. In comparative, we add r. In superlative, we add st. Okay. Now, rule 3. When the positive ends in consonant y, we drop the y and add ier and iest. Okay. For example, lucky, luckier, luckiest. Okay. Here in positive lucky, in comparative luckier. We add ier and in superlative iest. Okay. Now rule 4. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel or consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add er and est. For example, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, here in positive big, in comparative bigger, we add double g and er, and in comparative also double g est. Okay. Now rule 5. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. For example, useful, more useful and most useful. Okay, in positive useful, in comparative we add more and in superlative we add most. Okay. Now rule 6. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives form. They are positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. For example, good, better, best. Okay. Now change positive degree to comparative degree and superlative degree. Example 1. Bangalore is not as costly as other cities in India. Okay. Now in comparative, Bangalore is not costlier as other cities in India. Okay. In positive, we use costly, and in comparative, here costlier. Okay. We add er and yi. Okay, and now superlative degree. Bangalore is not the costliest city in India. Okay, here costliest. In positive costly, in comparative costlier, and in superlative costliest. Okay. Now example 2. No other city in India as cool as West Bengal. Okay. In comparative, West Bengal is cooler than any other city in India. Okay. Here we use no other in positive, and in comparative we use any other, and also cool, here cooler. Okay, and in superlative, West Bengal the coolest city in India. Okay, and here coolest, and we use the. Okay. Now example 3. Very few batsmen in the world are as talented as Sachin. Okay. In positive, we use very few. Now comparative. Sachin is more talented than most other batsmen in the world. Okay. In positive, we use very few, and in comparative, most other. Okay. Now superlative. Sachin is one of the most talented batsmen in the world. Okay, here we use one of the. Okay, now example 4. Few girls in the class are as clever as Madhuri. Okay, now comparative. Madhuri is cleverer than most other girls in the class. Okay, in positive we use very few, few girls. Okay, and clever. Here in comparative we use cleverer and most other. Okay, now superlative. Madhuri is one of the cleverest girls in the class. Okay, here we use one of the and cleverest. In positive, clever. In comparative, cleverer, and in superlative, cleverest. Okay. Now example 5. In positive, no other metal is as precious as gold. Okay. Now comparative. Gold is the more precious than any other metal. Okay, here we use more. Okay, before precious, here precious, and we add in more. Okay, in comparative. Now superlative. Gold is the most precious of all metal. Okay, here we use most. Here precious in positive, more precious in comparative, and most precious in superlative. Okay, thank you.